What if one night you realize you are dreaming and instead of waking up, you stay? You look around, the world feels real, the body feels real, but this time you are in control. ये कोई फैंटेसी नहीं, इसे lucid dreaming कहते हैं. So the question is lucid dreaming is just a brain trick or a proof that consciousness can control the reality itself? What is lucid dreaming? Lucid dreaming is a state where you are dreaming and you know that you are dreaming. This is not a belief. This is scientifically verified. In 1970s, researchers proved lucid dreaming by asking dreamers to move their eyes in the specific pattern while asleep. The body was asleep, the brain was dreaming, but awareness was awake. यानी जिस्म सो रहा होता है लेकिन होश जाग रहा होता है. What science see in the brain? Brain scans show something shocking. During lucid dreaming, emotional and visual areas stay active, but the logical part of the brain turns back on. This is the same area responsible for decision making, self-awareness, control. Lucid dreaming is not sleep and not waking life. It's a third state of consciousness. Is it real or just imagination? Here's an important truth. Lucid dreams are not physically real, but they are experientially real. Pain feels real, joy feels real, fear feels real. Your brain does not know the difference. So the question becomes, अगर experience real हो तो आप उसे झूठ कैसे कह सकते हैं? This forces us to redefine reality itself. Why lucid dreaming feels godlike? In lucid dreams, people report flying, changing environments, talking to dream characters, asking questions to dream itself. But here's the truth that science confirms. You are not controlling the world. You are controlling your perception of it. And that's terrifying. Because waking life works the same way. Philosophy, the big question. Philosophy asks, if you can be conscious inside a dream, how do you know that you are not dreaming right now? Rene Descartes said, the only thing we can be sure of is awareness itself. Buddhist philosophy goes further. If you can wake up inside a dream, maybe enlightenment is waking up from life itself. सपना छूट सकता है और शायद जिंदगी भी. Religion and spirituality. Islam. Islam does not promote the control of dreams, but acknowledges true dreams and awareness in sleep. Sleep is described as a state close to death, where the soul is partially withdrawn. Lucidity is awareness, not power. Hinduism and Buddhism. Ancient practices like dream yoga trained monks to remain conscious while dreaming, not for fun, but to realize one truth. If dreams are unstable, so the reality is. Benefits and dangers. Proven benefits: reducing nightmares, practicing skills, creativity and problem solving, emotional healing. Real dangers: escapism, confusing dreams with reality, sleep disruption, and obsession. Lucid dreaming is a tool, not a destination. हर चीज जो पावरफुल होती है वो डेंजरस भी होती है. The deepest truth. Lucid dreaming does not prove multiverse travel, astral projection, and supernatural powers. But it proves something more important. Consciousness can exist independent of the physical world, and that's break everything we thought we knew. Lucid dreaming is not about escaping reality. It's about realizing something terrifying. Reality feels real because consciousness believes in it. So tonight when you fall asleep, remember, अगर मैं सपने में जाग सकता हूँ, तो मुझे जिंदगी में भी जागने की जरूरत है. Lucid dreaming कोई जादू नहीं, ये होश का एक और दरवाजा है. See you in the next video, and this could be another part of the dream series. And come on, don't forget to tell me your viewpoints in the comments.